Good evening, Sandeep. So, Sandeep, we can wait for 5 minutes. We can wait for 5 minutes. Some more members are coming to the Zoom classes. So please wait for 2 or 3 minutes, Sandeep. See, actually, we are starting a new batch today, but I hope there's no new member up to now. Neha, good evening. Good evening, Neha. So only 2 members are participants, Neha and Sandeep. Just we can wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. We can see check out, and we will go for the class. So today, once again, I'm starting a revision the classes. That is ratio and proportions. Ratio and proportions. Three members have joined the class. Neha, Indu, and Sandeep. Good evening, Indu. Good evening. How are you? Fine, fine, Indu. I'm very fine. Also, after a long gap, we are coming to the class. Now we can go for the upgrade of the classes. So previous classes going to the upgrade. Now we go for the upgrade classes. So today I'm starting one thing in the first chapter, that is ratio proportions. Actually, some new members also there for the class, but up to now there no one is there. We can wait for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. I can go for the class. Okay. So okay, first of all, what is the definition of ratio? What is the definition of ratio? A ratio means, once again I tell the definition. The number of times one quantity contains, the number of times one quantity contains another quantity of the same kind is called a ratio. The number of times one quantity contains another quantity of the same kind is called a ratio. Example this suppose already I told you, Ramesh has 5 chocolates, Krishna has 7 chocolates. What is the ratio between 5:7 the ratio? Here, this first number we can call it as antecedent. The first number we can call it as antecedent. The second number we can call it as second number we can call it as consequent. Consequent. In relation to the first term we can call it as antecedent. The second term we can call it as consequent. So first of all, write the definition. I will give you the chart, share box, and also I and share screen also. Okay, see this one first of all. I'm giving the screen share as well as in the chart box. First, write on these things. You can get an idea. Now you can go for the directly problems. Okay. Write on the definitions. Write down definition of ratio. The number of times one quantity contains. The number of times one quantity contains another quantity of the same kind is called a ratio. Of the same kind is called a ratio. Is called a ratio. Example, you can take a 4:5 or 5, anyone. If they 4:5. So in a ratio, the first term is called antecedent in brackets 4. In a ratio, the second term is called consequent in brackets 5. Write on this one and please give me yes. Okay. Yes. Now we can see some problems on this one. Some basic problems. Write the first problem on this one. Very easy problem. Write the question. In a ratio 2:3, if the antecedent becomes 6, then what is the consequent? In a ratio 2:3, if the antecedent becomes, then what is the consequent? Then what is the consequent? So answer two very good from 2:3, antecedent because this becomes 6. In a ratio 2:3, very good answer from Hindu and Barleka. So that 2 becomes 6 means with what number? With the 3, it will multiply with 3. 2 into 3, 6. Automatically 3 into 3. So the answer is 9 is the answer. 9 is the answer from Hindu and Neha. Very good. Very good. Now go for the second problem, same model. So these are the basic problems. Don't worry. We can go for the depth in the next classes. These are basic problems. Don't worry about this one. In the future, we can go for the depth problems. Right on this one. I'm screen sharing. In a ratio 5:8, if the antecedent is 15, what is the consequent? In a ratio 5:8, in a ratio 5:8, if the antecedent becomes 15, then what is the consequent? Then what is the consequent? The answer is from Sandeep 24, Neha 24, and also 24. Very good answer from both of you. So 5 becomes 15, so by 3, 15, 8 into 3, the value is 24. So the value is 24 is the correct answer from Neha and Sandeep. And also, so this is the answer. Very good, very good. Now see the next problem. Suppose sometimes he will give like this, sometimes he will give like this, the value is asking, he was going to consequent asking the first one. See this question. Write down. I am screen sharing also. In a ratio 7:9, if the consequent becomes 45, then what is the antecedent? So you know, independent in the second term, which was in the second term, 7:9, 7:9 child. Second term you put 45. Then what is the antecedent? What is the antecedent? What is the antecedent? 45 is answer from Hindu and Sandeep. So 9 into 5, 9 into 5, 45. Like that, 7 into 5, 35 is the answer. 7 into 5, 35 is the answer. Very good from all of you, both of you. Now we can go for the next problem, next model. One second. One second. Right on that one. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, B is to 9 to find A is to B is to B. He was given A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4. B is to C is equal to 9 is to 11. Find A is to B is to C. Find A is to B is to C. So the answer from into 27 is part of a very good answer. I'm telling that is shortcut. So first of all, if you write this 3 is to 4 like this. First one 3 is to 4. Second one 9 is to 11. Last. I'm telling that is shortcut. 3 is to 4, 9 is to 11. See here, 3 into 9, 27. 4 into 9, 36. 4 into 11, 44. This is the answer. The required answer is 27, 36, 44. You will take it. This is shortcut. 3 into 7, 9, 27. 4 into 9, 36. 4 into 11, 44. 4 into 11, 44. Therefore, the answer is 27, 36, 44. Option 4 is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. Now come to the next problem. Right on this one. I am screen sharing. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, B is to C is equal to 7 is to 9, C is to D is equal to 5 is to 7. B is to C is equal to 7 is to 9. C is to D is equal to 5 is to 7. Find A is to D. Find A is to D. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, comma, B is to C is equal to so on, as given. Find A is to D. Find A is to D. 5 is to 2 is the right answer from Hindu. ఇక్కడ చూడన్న ఇక్కడ రైట్ ఆన్ A is to B as A by B. A by B is equal to 3 by 4. B is to C means B by C is equal to 7 by 9. C is to D means C by D is equal to 5 by C. First of all, we write like this: A by B, B by C. Now multiply left hand to the alphabet one type, right hand to the numbers at the other side. Multiply left hand to the alphabets A by B into B by C into C by D. Right side number 3 by 4 into 7 by 9 into 5 by 7. Here BB cancel, CC cancel, remaining is A by D. Here, this 7 some cancel, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So remaining is 5 by 4 into 3 12. So A by D is equal to 5 by 12. Or A is to D is equal to 5 is to 12. 5 is to 12 is the answer. The required answer is 5 is to 12 is the answer. So 5 by 12 is a 5 is to 12 answer. ఈ విధంగా చేయాలి. సో ఏం చేయాలి, ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఏ బై అంటే ఏ బై బి 3 by 4 రాయొచ్చు, బి బై సి ఈక్వల్ 7 by రాయొచ్చు, సి బై 5 by 7 రాయొచ్చు. సో లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ఒకవైపు, రైట్ సైడ్ నెంబర్స్ ఒకవైపు అప్లై చేస్తే రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్ బీబీ క్యాన్సిల్, సిసి క్యాన్సిల్, ఏ బై డి మీన్స్ 5 is to 12 is the required answer. 5 is to 12 is the required value. Okay, next one. Right on this one. Divide by 45 in the ratio of 4 is to 5. Find the first number and second number. Find the first number and second number. Divide rupees 45 in the ratio of 4 is to 5. So 45 rupees we have to divide in the form of 4 is to 5. So we'll divide rupees 45 in the ratio of 4 is to 5. So find the first number and second number. Find the first number. So Indu, the answer is right, 20, 25, Sandeep, Panna, so on. Very good. So first number is equal to first number with the first part. First part is equal to 4 by first part we can call that. First part is 4 by total part 4 plus 5 9. Total amount 45. 9 ones 9 5 5 into 4 20. Second part is equal to second number 5 by 9 into 45. 9 ones 9 5 5 into 5 25. So the numbers are 20, 25 the numbers. The numbers are, one number is 20 and another one is 25 the required number. Very good from all of you. Very good from all of you. Next question. I am giving you some more questions for you. You can do it. These questions. I am giving 3 questions at a time for you. Like 2 questions at a time. These solve these 2 questions at a time. Write down. I am giving 2 questions for you. Tell me the answer for 2 questions. Divide rupees 80 in the ratio of 2 is to 7. Find the first number and second number. Divide rupees 7 in the ratio of 2 is to find the numbers. I will find the 3 parts. Second, we find the 3 parts. Second part. 81 rupees 2 is to 7. 70 rupees 2 is to 3 is to 4. Very good answer from Hindu. So 2 by first part 2 by 9 into 81. 9 ones 9 nines 2 into 9 80. Second part means 7 by 9 into 81. 9 ones 9 nines 9 into 7 63. We come here 2 by 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 4 9 into 7 to 9 ones 9 8 2 into 8 16 first part. Second part means 3 by 9 into 70. 9 ones 9 8 8 into 3 24. Third part means part is 4 by 9 into 72. 9 ones 9 8 8 into 4. 32 is the required answer. So the parts are first one for first answer 8 comma 63. For the second one 16 24 32. Very good answer from Hindu, Nenad. Very good from all of you. Suppose in sometimes he will give inverse ratio. I mean, he will give in the 1 by. So see one problem like this, you can get an idea. Write the question. Divided by 49, the ratio 1 by 4 is 1 by 3. Divided by 49, the ratio of 1 by 4 is to 1 by 3. Divided by 49, the ratio of 49 in the ratio of 1 by 4 is to 1 by 3. So only two numbers, no ratio, two numbers, if in the ratio there are two numbers, simply for fair ratio is simply cross multiplication. Fair ratio is simply cross multiplication. And this ratio is also equal to 1 into 3, 4 into 1, 4. This ratio is equal to 3 to 4. It becomes 4, a fair ratio becomes only two numbers will just simple cross multiplication. Three numbers will go for the LCM. 3 into simple cross multiplication, 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 3 is to 4 into LCM. So now find the first part. First part means 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 times 1 is 49. 7 1 7 7 7 into 3 total first part. Second part means 4 by 7 into 49. 7 into 4 28. So the answers are 21, 28 is the answer. 21, 28 is the required answers. Very good from Hindu and so on. See in the chart box. Write up this question. I'm screen sharing. If A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2, B is to C and so on. He was asking A is to B is to C is to D. Because when A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2. B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5. C is to D is equal to 5 is to 4. E is to D is equal to 5 is to 6. Find A is to B is to C is to D is to. Okay. First of all, how can we can find out A, B, B, C? We can find out A, B, C. How to find out 1 is to 2, 3 is to 5. You will get A, B, C. 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 5, 10. This is A, B, C. Write down here A, B, C as 3 is to 6 is to 10. And drop C, C is to D as 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4. Once again, 3 into 5, 50. 6 into 5, 30. 10 into 5, 50. 10 into 4, 40. This is A, B, C, D. The value is 10. Now we can go for the next one. 15 is to 15 is to 30 is to 50 is to 40. 40. Now here it is E is to D. Write down D is to E. 5 is to 6. Write down 5 is to 6. So here it is not an table somehow. Fifteen is to 30 is to 50 is to 40 is to Take reverse. 6 is to 5. Because it is E is to D, we want D is to E. 6 is to 5. Now same process. 15 into 6. 15 6 are 90. 30 into C 180. 300. 200. This is the question. So the value is like this. 90 is to 180 is to 300 is to 28. Now cancel 0 and from all 0, 0, 0. It becomes 9 is to 18 is to 30. This is the final answer. The required answer is 9 is to 18 is to 30 is to 20. Option 4 is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. So in the last class given E is to D, it will be the sequence A, B, B, C, C, D, E, D. So D, but he has given E, D. So first to change that one to the D, so it becomes 6 is to 5. 6 is to 5. Okay. Now come to next question. Write on the question. Divide to page 78 in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Divide page 78 in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. So fractions is first we have to change into pair ratio. 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So using the fraction we have to change into pair ratio. So 3 number we have to go for 3 number we have to go for LCM. For 2, 3, 4 the LCM is 12. 2, 3, 4 the LCM is 12. 2 will strike the 12 6 times 6 into 1 6. 3 12 strikes 4 times 4 into 1 4. 4 12 3 times 3 into 1. This is the pair ratio. The pair ratio is 6 4 3 is the pair ratio. From here you can find out the value. First part means 6 by 6 plus 4 is 30. Total amount 78. 31 36 are 6 into 6 36. Second part means 4 by 13 into 78. 6 times 6 into 4 24. Third part means 3 by 13 into 78. 6 into 3 8. So these are the parts. The answer is 36, 24, and 18 is the required answer. So this will be useful for DAO, very useful for DAO also. Recently, we have got DAO post, division accounts also, at degrees of qualification. Those who have degree qualification can write down DAO. Division from TSPSC is very, very good post. So those who are degree, write on this one. So ఈ వీడియో 10 minutes వైండ్ అవుతుంది. Today I have stopped the class here. So today is the first class. మనం స్లోగా మళ్ళీ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకోపోదామండి. సో ఇంకొక 10 minutes పై క్లాస్ అయిపోతుంది. అయిపోయి వీడియో వైండ్ అవుతుంది. ఫైండ్ అవుతుంది. డోంట్ వరీ అండి, స్లోగా వెళ్తామండి. మనకి మళ్ళీ ఒక ఈ 4-5 days లో మళ్ళీ ఒక 10-15 members అవుతారండి. సో దట్స్ వై స్లోగా వెళ్తాం. ఎందుకంటే సిలబస్ నాకు మళ్ళీ ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. Now come to the next problem. Write on the question. I'm screen sharing also. If x is to y is equal to 10 is to 3, then x minus 3y is to 2x minus 5y is equal to that. If x is to y is equal to 10 is to 3, then x minus 3y is to 2x minus 5. So in place of x you can take 10, in place of y you can take 3. In place of x you can take y plus 3. Now order here 10 minus y means 3 into 3 9. Here 2 into 10 20, 5 into 3 50. So the answer is 1 is to 5. This is the answer. The required answer is 1 is to 5 the required answer. Here we have to supply very simple, very simple. In place of x then y plus 3. Apply it. Apply as x under 10 minus 3 into 9. 2 into 10 20 minus 15. So the answer is 1 is to 5 is the answer. 1 is to 5 is the required answer. Next one, see here. Another question. The greatest ratio out of 2 is to 3, 5 is to 6, and so on. The greatest ratio out of so when we ratio for the age 2 is to 3 ఇచ్చాడు 5 is to 6 ఇచ్చాడు 8 is to 9 ఇచ్చాడు 7 is to 8 ఇచ్చాడు వీటిలో ఏది గ్రేటెస్ట్ ఉంటాడు which is the greatest the greatest ratio out of 2 is to 3 5 is to 6 8 is to 9 so ఎలా చేయాలంటే చూడండి first of all write down like this as 2 is to 3 as 2 by 3 5 by 6 8 by 9 7 by 8 write down like this first of all 2 by 3 5 by 6 8 write down like this now see here first of all compare these two compare 2 into 6 12 3 into 5 15 so here which is the big one 12 or 15 so 2 into 6 12 3 which is bigger we want the greatest means the big one means 2 by 3 cancel now take this 5 by 6 5 by 6 and 8 by 9 these two 9 into 5 how much 45 a of 6 into 8 48 9 into 45 so which is biggest 45 48 so take cancel this one the remaining is 8 by 9 remaining is 8 by 9 and 7 by 8 8 into 8 64 9 into 7 63 so which is biggest 64 so 8 by 9 is biggest one 8 by 9 8 by 9 means the value is answer is greatest is 8 is to 9 the greatest 8 is to 9 the greatest this is the process of the problem first of all 2 by 3 5 by 6 6 into the 2 12 3 into 15 3 into 15 so which is biggest 12 into 50 so we calculate 5 by 6 8 by 9 9 into 45 6 into 48 so 48 biggest is put 8 okay 8 by 9 7 by 8 8 into 8 64 9 into 60. So the value becomes which is the 60 was biggest one that's why 8 by 9 8 by 9 means 8 is the biggest one 8 is the biggest one same process you can do for a smallest also I'm doing smallest one for you now you can apply only small number you can take smallest number small number do this one the smallest ratio out of 4 is to 5 2 is to 3 5 is to 8 and 8 is to 9 is dash same process in మనం ఎలా చేస్తాం అదే process can apply here now we have to find it a small number don't take big number 2:3, 5:8, 8:9. First one 4:5. 4:5 means 4/5, 2/3, 5/8, 8/9. To the values. So this video is going to wind out in 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, our class is over. Tomorrow we can see the next session. We can go slowly. I'm taking only one session this week because some more members new are to join. Then we can go for the 1.5 hour class. Okay. But those who are already repeated, you will also if you can't get a board. I will give you a new problem. Don't worry. Sandeep, okay, sir. Right. So what about this one? What is the answer for this one? What is the answer for this one? What is the smallest number? Okay. 4 into 3, 12, 2 into 5, 10. This one cancel. So 2/3, 5/8. 16, 15. This one cancel. 5/8, 8/9. 9 into 5, 45, 64. This one cancel. 5/8, this is equal to 5:8 is the smallest. 5:8 is the smallest number. 5:8 is the smallest number. Okay. Okay, and that is going to wind up within 1 minute. So okay, we can try for one more problem. We can try to get one more problem on this one. One second, you can see the chart box. Right on this one, this is the last question for you.